Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 9th standard maths chapter 4 geometry exercise 4.5 6th sum. Draw an equilateral triangle of sides 6.5 cm and locate its orthocenter. What do you mean by orthocenter? The point of concurrency of three altitudes is known as the orthocenter. What do you mean by altitude? Altitude is nothing but the height of the triangle, perpendicular line segment of the triangle. That is our altitude. Okay. Now we are going to draw rough diagram. You have to draw an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is nothing but all the sides are equal. So you have to measure all the sides 6.5 centimeter. But in our rough diagram, you no need to measure anything. Just draw roughly. Okay. So draw an equilateral triangle without measurement. So this is our equilateral triangle. Name this as, you have to name anything. Okay. So A, B, C, and then all the sides are equal. No. So you have to write 6.5 here. Here also 6.5 centimeter. And here also 6.5 centimeter. Now we have to locate orthocenter. Before that you have to draw the altitude of each of its vertices. Each of the three vertices you have to draw an altitude. So from C I draw one altitude like this. Altitude means height. So you have to put 90-degree symbol here. And then from A also I draw one altitude. We can draw three altitudes in our triangle because we are having three vertices, no? So don't forget to put this 90-degree symbol here. And then again from B you have to draw one more altitude. Altitude is nothing but the height of the triangle. Okay. So these three altitudes will intersect here. So this point is known as our orthocenter. Is usually denoted by H. That's all. This is our rough diagram. So let us move on to the fair diagram. First take your scale, measure 6.5 and draw one line segment. 6.5. And then name these vertices as A and B of length 6.5 centimeter. And then take your compass, take one more 6.5 centimeter because all the sides are equal, no, in our equilateral triangle. So take again 6.5, fix your compass at A, draw one arc. Don't change the measurement because here also we are having 6.5. So keep your compass at B, draw another arc. These two arcs are intersecting here. Name this point as C. Join A and C. And then join B and C. So this is our required equilateral triangle. Here 6.5 centimeter. Here also 6.5 centimeter. Now our next step is to draw an altitude from each vertex. Okay. So just take any two vertices. Okay. We are going to draw two altitudes in this triangle. That is enough. Okay. First of all, I draw one altitude from C. Okay. So fix your compass at C and then just open your compass like this, more than this line segment, and then draw one arc here and one more arc here. Okay. These two arcs intersect the line segment here. So like this, and then we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this line segment So take more than half of the length of the line segment, and no need to draw arc here. You have to draw arc down. Okay. Here one arc and then here another arc. That's all. Mark this point, intersecting point, and join this C and this point. So here we are having 90-degree symbol, and then what is your altitude here? From C to this point. This line segment is your altitude, okay? Not this one. Understood clearly? Now we are going to draw one more altitude from A. So keep your compass at A. Just open your compass more than this line segment. Draw one arc here and one arc here. Okay. These two arcs will intersect the line segment at this point. These points. Mark those points, and then now we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector for this line segment. So take more than half of the line segment. Not necessary to draw an arc here. You just draw arcs here only. Okay. Okay. So mark this intersecting point and join A and this intersecting point. Okay. So here we are having one more perpendicular symbol. So name this point as D and then name this point as E. So CD is our altitude, one altitude, and E as our another altitude. Okay. So these two altitudes are intersecting here. Am I correct or not? So this point is known as our orthocenter H. This is our required orthocenter. Thank you, students.